Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Y'all, I make these videos every day, stimulus package updates, and I hope y'all will come back every day and please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, leave me your comments, and thank you for being here. Okay, y'all, still I want to remind everybody every day about the phone numbers that's in my description box. It's to the switchboard at the White House, and if you call that number, they can get you in touch with any senator, any congressman, any member of the House, and even President Trump's office. Blow those phone lines up every day. Don't let them rest. Give it to them hard. Let them know what we need. We need stimulus checks, and we need them now. Y'all, everyone knows Nancy Pelosi is not my favorite person. In fact, she has been my whipping post for a while. But right now, I have to be fair. It looks like she's our biggest ally. She is demanding that they put a stimulus check in this next stimulus package. So y'all, I'm still not crazy about Nancy Pelosi, but she is our biggest ally on this. Pelosi is demanding that they put a stimulus check in the new package. She said the longer the Republicans wait, the more they will see that it is needed. Pelosi and her Democrat friends passed the bill back in March. And it's got a stimulus check in it. Well, as we know, the Senate is just sitting on it. They're not doing anything. Pelosi says she has to have that stimulus check in the package. This is why I've always said that I feel confident in a $2,000 check. The Republicans know that in order to get what they want, they're going to have to give Nancy what she wants, and that's stimulus checks for the people. Without stimulus checks for the people, the House is not going to approve what they send back to them. So I feel confident that we will get a stimulus check, and I feel confident it will be a $2,000 check. A lot of people think I'm crazy for saying $2,000 when it's not even talked about right now, but I just feel confident in that. Now, Steve Mnuchin has said they are seriously looking at another stimulus check. All households will be needing more help. Hello? We needed it like 3 months ago. He goes on to say they're looking at a one-time $1,200 check again, just like it was the time before. Now, the federal people are saying that this should be enough because of the generous payment that we got the time before. They're also saying that 85% of the households has enough money to cover 3 months of living expenses. I don't, do you? I don't know what households he's talked about. And before this pandemic started, it was like 42% of the households had enough. Now all of a sudden, after everybody's lost their jobs and everything, they seem to think 85% of the people's got enough to cover 3 months. That's just how they think. I've told you time and time again, they're billionaires and millionaires. They're completely out of touch with real people. You can let your voices be heard in the voting booth, but that's in November. We can't wait that long. You have to let your voices be heard in the phone numbers that's in the description box below. All you got to do is just click on where you see show more. The description box will open up. Scroll down, you'll see the phone numbers there. A lot of people saying they're having a hard time finding it. All you got to do is just click on the show more and it will pop up. Y'all, we have to let them know that they are not in charge anymore. We're in charge and we're taking control back. Y'all, companies will not reopen until they get a package done. Now, President Trump wants employer protection. I do too, because after they get that, more companies will open up. Things will start to get back to normal. Nancy Pelosi, on the other hand, wants a stimulus check. Now, if those two meets and they agree, they're going to have to agree with each other, because one is not going to pass it without the other. That's why I feel confident in a $2,000 stimulus check. And I hope President Trump gets his employer protection plan in there too. Y'all, I make these videos every day. Please come back every day. Give me your thumbs up, your thumbs down. Leave me your comments. And just know I love you all, and we will get out of this. The big question is, how long is it going to take? I love you all. Until tomorrow. Ciao.